I see many people, they're flying this up high, looking at the world down. I mean, what's fun about that? I mean, that's what all drones in the world do. It get boring after some time, but here you keep the excitement. What's up, pilots? Every flight is a lesson, and the lesson today is flying the DJI Neo 2 for the first time in manual mode. I will be flying it with the DJI Goggles 3 and the remote controller 3 as well. So this is all manual mode. I will be keeping it low, flying it low, hitting gaps under trees. Most people fly this drone up high, looking at the world down. Today I'm gonna show you a different perspective, how we use this drone in a different way. And I want to show you something before we take off, is the pause button. I'm gonna keep my finger on the pause button. If anything happen and things were out of control, I'm gonna go ahead and use it and make it stop. And if I hit it, it will just stop and hover in place. And this way I'll build my self-confidence as we go. This is my first fly. I've never flown this drone before. Let's go. Okay, before we fly, I'm gonna go ahead and show you my rates. Those are the rates that I'm comfortable with. I mean, you can start with lower rates and start going up as you go, as you get more comfortable. But those are the rates that I just copied from the Avata 2. I fly the Avata 2 and I use these rates. So hopefully these rates, if you want to copy them and use them and see and adjust from there, that's fine. But my suggestion is to start low and move your way up. Alrighty, let's go ahead and go in manual mode. I'm comfortable with 20 to start. 20 is good starting point, and we'll go from there. Motor starts, and let's go. It's a little bit windy. The wind is coming from the left, as you see, it's pushing me to the right, but nothing major that the Neo cannot handle that. So let's go ahead and do hover. Okay, we hover in here. We're still moving because of the wind. Okay, it's hovering okay. Let's do right turn, left turn. Very comfortable. And my finger on the pause button. Let's do some tree surfings here. It's a little bit windy, so the wind is pushing from the left right now. Nothing like serious for the Neo to not to be able to handle it. So like I was telling you earlier, that different perspective is flying under trees. It's flying low, flying under trees. And the treetop, those are really, this is a really very nice flying, very relaxing. This is very relaxing. I mean, I can fly this all day and be relaxed. Like you see, just to stay low and take it easy. No need to start doing rolls and flips and all of that. Just relax. Those are the flights that I like. The wind is pushing from the left. Hitting gaps here. I mean, hitting gaps is a lot of fun. Now the wind is pushing from the back. So let's go ahead and buzz the tower. Woohoo! That was fun. That was really fun. So where we have 73% on the battery, we're good. When it's 40%, I need to go back, because after under 40%, that's when you start getting the battery sag. And battery sags are not good, meaning the motor is not gonna give you the same punch anymore. Wow, look at that, this is so cool. So like I said, man, to me, the most relaxing thing I do is just fly between trees. This is so beautiful, just flying between trees, relaxed, and do under tree flying with gaps. Let's hit this gap here, another small gap here. Woo! I get too close to that tree. Like I said, like, you know, this is a manual mode, but not a stressful manual mode where you're gonna be stressing out, just relaxing stuff. Let's do orbit on this tree. Very nice. Okay, we're behind those trees, so let's go ahead and do some tree severing from this side to the other side and see how that looks. Tree severing is beautiful, but you just gotta be careful, because if you're stuck on top of the tree, it's hard to get it down. Orbiting around the tree. Cool stuff. Woo! I have to dodge that tree. I was paying attention to that person that was walking on the trails, and I don't want to get close to them. Even though this is a small drone, less than 250, but still. We don't want to disturb the peace, pretty much. Okay, let's do a dive over here. Get in this gap. As I said, this is just a different perspective, y'all. I see many people, they're flying this up high, looking at the world down. I mean, what's fun about that? I mean, that's what all drones in the world do. It get boring after some time, but here you keep the excitement. Keep the excitement. Look here, now let's do some low flying. This is some cool low flying right here. Let's get it closer. 2 feet, 1 feet. Beautiful. Love it. Let's do some thread in the needle. This is a different perspective that I've been telling you about. It's totally different. That's what you usually see. I know that a lot of people do that in the motion controller, which is fine. I like it, really. I like to see people flying it in the motion controller in the trees, because this drone was made just for that. If you bought one and you're worried about getting to the manual mode, I tell you, go ahead and start learning little by little. You don't have to start like doing those crazy maneuvers, just cool stuff like this. So we have the battery 37%. Go ahead and bring it back. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch actually to sport mode and land it, because manual landing is very difficult on the drone. This is much easier on the drone. I mean, it's a fragile, it's not a 5-inch drone, you know. Welcome back, little buddy. Here it is. Back in one piece. This was a full manual flight with DJI Neo 2. It handled pretty well. It was a lot of fun flying it low down to the ground under trees. If you're new to manual mode, the pause button is your favorite friend. If things get out of control, you always can press it and it will bail you out. If you're thinking about getting one, this is an excellent drone to practice with. Go ahead and get it. Tell me, what do you think about this flight down below in the comment section? And we will see you on the next mission.